For the preliminary task, we had to demonstrate that we could use the 180-degree rule, shot, reverse shot, match on action, and edit the footage to create. The main aim of the preliminary task was to let us get used to the equipment, cameras, tripods and editing, etc. As we had our own camera, we found it much easier as we could get on with it quicker without as much hassle as using the school cameras. This also let us use more tape and time on getting the best shots possibly for our preliminary. A problem that occurred within our preliminary was the speech. This was a problem as on the camera the wind was too loud, so we could not hear mine and Scott's voices outside. To solve this problem, we tried to do voiceovers, which we knew would be tricky as we had to get the speech matching our mouth movement and also the level of volume so it would seem realistic. Unfortunately, in one of Scott's lines, the speech did not match the mouth and the speech was also too loud. We learned from this in our proper final piece as we knew not to try and do voiceovers and to get all the filming done properly so this would not cause any problems with our film. Another thing we learned from our preliminary was to fully charge the cameras so we could not get as much filming done as possible and also to get as many shots we could do so it would give us a wide variety to choose from. When it came down to the final piece, we got the filming done smoothly and professionally, so there was nothing to worry about after our filming. In conclusion, I think we learned a lot from our preliminary, which was the task of our preliminary to see what mistakes we had made so we could correct them or avoid them in our final piece. We learned to avoid using voiceovers if possible, to charge the camera the night before, and to get as many shots and camera angles in as possible. At the end, I think the preliminary helped us a lot, so we did not make them mistakes in our proper evaluated final 2-minute production.